Here's just a few of the GLAM Glamp 2020 testimonials. From Denise, thank you so much for this day. It was amazing and so much needed in my life. I pray God blesses you and your team 100-fold for all you poured out. Brooklyn, GLAM Glamp was bomb. Some of you missed out. Montrese, thanks again for such a great experience. I look forward to next year's GLAM Glamping. Dakeen, thank you so much to the My Warrior Life team. Lots to ponder. I really enjoyed it. Crystal, it was awesome like always. I appreciate all of you. Deandra, it was amazing.
Able to have the opportunity to do this kind of connecting the dots and unwinding workshop with you all to help center us and ground us before we move into our discussion. So I won't tell you a lot about it, but if you are willing, just go on this journey with me. Okay. So I'm going to ask you, wherever you are, find comfort for a moment. Whether you're sitting, whether you're standing, whether you're laying down, find comfort. And then when you find that comfort, allow your eyes to close a little bit. Just rest them. And let's first check in on our soul. Ask how she's doing. Is she filled with love? Is she keeping you rooted on a firm foundation? And while you're focusing on that, I want you to just imagine with me. Imagine that from wherever you are, whether your feet are planted or you're seated or you're lying down. Imagine that you are touching the earth. Imagine you feel that the earth brings you freedom. It brings you joy. So when you focus on your soul being planted, it manages anxiety, depression, and it helps you discern the difference between this and sadness. So imagine that you're rooted in freedom, that you're rooted in love, in your natural energy, and that's helping you create a firm foundation to stand on. So as you listen to the music, just breathe it in. Breathe in that golden, breathe out tension. Feel that firm foundation. Now bring your attention to that natural energy that I was talking about. That natural energy is your spirit. Your spirit is the essence and the foundation. It's your character. Imagine falling into that natural energy. Like imagine you're a seed and you're falling back into the soil. Think about what might grow from you, right? And your natural energy, your spirit is who you are, your character, not what you wear, not what you look like, not your hair, right? So what seeds would grow from your soil? It'll be seeds of love, of wealth, of health and healing. When you focus on your spirit, being that essence and that character of who you are, it allows you to call attention to different emotional states, and it empowers you to make rational decisions. Now, as you're breathing in with intention, breathing deeply, and letting it out. Focus in on what's happening in your mind right now. Is it cluttered? Are your thoughts racing? Imagine holding a bag full of that clutter and those racing thoughts in your mind. Gather it all into one bag. And as you're gathering it, raise your shoulders. So breathe in and raise your shoulders. And as you breathe out, let go of the bag. Release the tension in your shoulders and relax. One more time. Breathe in, bring your shoulders up. Breathe out and release them. Relax. Imagine that with every breath out that you take, you're releasing that bag, releasing the clutter. Because having a clear mind allows you to have a clear perspective of your authentic self. As you feel your shoulders relax, just check in with yourself. Ask yourself how you're doing. Allow yourself to answer without even speaking. Stay there for a minute. Just breathe in, breathe out. Notice the places you're carrying tension. You can breathe in that love to replace it and breathe out tension. Try that. Breathe in love and breathe out in tension. Unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders, and stay there, just checking in with yourself for a minute. What is it that you need right now? Allow yourself to answer it. And you'll realize that whatever you need, you have it. It's with you right now. Imagine that the earth is supplying you and giving you exactly what your soul desires in this moment. Follow that feeling and let it come up from the base of your spine into your heart, your mind, your body. Let it wrap around you like your spirit, like your soul, loving you. Because the body is the physical manifestation and reflection of all these elements, which keep you in tune with the choices that you make for your wellness. One more deep breath in, deep breath out. And when you're ready, gently bring yourself back to this moment. Open your eyes. Feel free to raise your hands, shake it off. Shake it off, shake it off. Wherever you are, shake out the tension, whether it's in your head, your legs, your arms, however you want to do it, shake it off. And now, with everybody, let's shake it off. Come on, y'all. I know y'all got some dance moves in you. You've been sitting down all day. I've been dancing all day. Yes, exactly like that. Shake out all that tension. Yep, just like that. All right, y'all. Thank you, thank you.
That was awesome, Jewel.
Thanks.